What's going on here?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be taking a look at Christmas crafts or DIY. Pretty much DIY Christmas crafts you can do. Basically different ones. So first I have this one, and then I have this jar, which this has brown sugar in it. But yeah, this was supposed to be for Thanksgiving, but I'm gonna take apart some of the stuff. I'm not taking this one with hot glue, but the one with the leaves, I'm taking that part off, and then stuff inside of it, I'm taking some of the stuff out inside of it. Yeah. So, and then what also I have is these two bulbs, Christmas bulbs. They're technically supposed to go in the Christmas tree, but they either don't work or anything like that. So I'm gonna have them for decoration, or like you can't really find like the little top part of it like that, or like the little hook for it. Next is I have is this Christmas bow, also found around the house. And then little pieces of the little red garland. And then like little pieces like these. Put around. I thought that was more aesthetic, see? Something like that. And then in here is paint. It's like red paint and green paint mixed together. And then this is just regular green paint. So I'm thinking of using those. So first we're going to take this off. And I don't think we're going to rip it off like that. Well, I guess I'm just going to do that. It had like a sticker on there. But it didn't really need to be on there in the first place. The little sticker part. Okay, anyways, let's open this up. Has like a little light in here. We might put that, leave that there for nothing. So in here are pretty much Orbeez and like the white beads. So let me get like a different bowl and put the Orbeez in. Okay, so I found this bowl. So this is the bowl I use for my candle. Put my candle in, but I guess I use. So, well, I have to separate. Technically, separate the leave this Christmas things on here, but gotta take the sticker off. Oh no, I gotta keep them on there because it's like kind of winter and kind of, yeah, so. Let's start with the decoration part. So, first, the bulb can't fit. The bulb can't fit because it's too big. So in here, what I'm going to put is some of the little flowers. I'm going to place it in there. No. I'm going to have variety. Did I get like all similar? I guess I did. So it's like a little flower inside. I don't want to put any fall leaves because it's like winter time. You don't really see any leaves falling in winter time. I mean, you kind of do, but not like that. Okay, and here's like another one. Place that in there. And then this. I'm gonna put that at the very top. And there. That's basically it. I didn't really want to put a lot in there. Oh, no. And then this is like the little lights that you can normally put on there. But it's like, I don't know if you can see that light. It's like flashing. So, I mean, you can also put this light in there too. Yeah. No, it's not that interesting, but it looks kind of good, pretty much. You can pretty much see it to where it is. Yeah. You can add more decorations if you want. Next is this one. It has like brown sugar in it, so I like brown sugar smell. Next for this one, we're going to do. I was thinking of like wrapping it. I don't have the Zach. So this one, I wrap it around like that. This is how it looks so far. Okay, and then I'm gonna wrap it around again. Let's make it. Oh gosh. Okay. That's what it looks like. And then I put this one. inside. That's what it looks like. And then I was thinking of putting like a bow. I mean, that would look tacky though. Maybe I could put the bow and no, don't. And then you can basically put your stuff in your bin right here. I'm gonna get these beads at the top. The beads here, and I'm gonna place them. Hold on, let me go collect this three. And then this one. But you're gonna add more stuff in here. This doesn't really fit directly. But if you want to make it look like that, then it kind of take it like that. But this doesn't really fit in here. I thought this bulb would be like small enough to fit inside the jars. But I guess these jars are not really that big for the bulb to actually go in there. And I was gonna use paint. But I don't know how I'm gonna paint it though. Well, actually I do. I'm getting a leaf. That's supposed to be like the little grass. I mean, I get the little thing. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's like one side, but the other side don't really see anything there. But that's basically it. So this is the finished product of both. This is how this one looks. I'm gonna do like an up close on them. But tell me which one you like more. Which one is your favorite? Do you like this one, the first one, or do you like the second one? Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit bell notification bell so you know I post a video, and tell me which one you like more.